How to use Instagram to increase your website's traffic and sales. Instagram is one of the most popular social media platforms in the world, with over 1 billion active users. For businesses, Instagram can be a powerful tool for increasing website traffic and driving sales. In this article, we will explore several methods for using Instagram to increase website traffic and boost sales. Optimize your Instagram profile. The first step in using Instagram to increase website traffic and sales is to optimize your Instagram profile. This involves creating a clear and compelling bio that highlights your brand's unique value proposition and includes a link to your website. Use high-quality visuals. Instagram is a visual platform, so it is important to use high-quality images and videos that are visually appealing and engaging. This can involve using professional photography or videography, as well as using editing tools to enhance the quality of your visuals. Post regularly and consistently. Posting regularly and consistently is key to building a strong presence on Instagram and keeping your followers engaged. This can involve creating a content calendar and scheduling posts in advance, as well as experimenting with different types of content to see what resonates with your audience. Use relevant hashtags. Hashtags are a powerful tool for increasing the visibility of your Instagram posts and reaching new audiences. Make sure to use relevant hashtags that are related to your brand and content, as well as experimenting with different types of hashtags to see what works best. Engage with your audience. Engaging with your audience is crucial for building relationships and growing your following on Instagram. This can involve responding to comments and direct messages, as well as actively seeking out and engaging with other users in your niche or industry. Collaborate with other brands and influencers. Collaborating with other brands and influencers can be a powerful way to increase your reach and drive traffic to your website. This can involve partnering with other businesses in your industry, as well as working with influencers or bloggers who have a strong following in your niche. Use Instagram Stories. Instagram Stories are a popular feature that allows users to share short, ephemeral content with their followers. Using Instagram Stories can be a great way to showcase behind-the-scenes content, highlight new products or services, and drive traffic to your website through swipe-up links. Run Instagram ads. Instagram ads are a powerful tool for reaching new audiences and driving traffic to your website. This can involve creating targeted ads that are tailored to specific demographics or interests, as well as experimenting with different ad formats and placements. Host giveaways and contests. Hosting giveaways and contests can be a fun and engaging way to increase your following on Instagram and drive traffic to your website. This can involve offering a prize or discount code to users who engage with your content or share your posts with their followers. Measure and analyze your results. Finally, it is important to measure and analyze your results on Instagram to see what is working and what can be improved. This can involve tracking your website traffic and sales from Instagram, as well as analyzing your engagement metrics and follower growth to see what types of content and strategies are resonating with your audience. Use Instagram Shopping. Instagram Shopping is a feature that allows businesses to tag products in their Instagram posts and stories, making it easy for users to shop directly from the platform. By using Instagram Shopping, you can drive traffic directly to your product pages and increase sales. Use user-generated content. User-generated content, UGC, is content created by your followers or customers, such as photos or videos featuring your products. Using UGC on your Instagram account can help build social proof and increase engagement, as well as drive traffic to your website by including a link in your bio or post captions. Use Instagram Live. Instagram Live is a feature that allows users to broadcast live video to their followers. Using Instagram Live can be a great way to showcase new products, host Q&A sessions, or offer exclusive promotions to your followers. You can also use Instagram Live to drive traffic to your website by including a link in your broadcast or encouraging viewers to visit your website for more information.